Good morning, everyone. Namaste. We're going to call on Archangel Michael to clear, cleanse this space of all negative and lower vibrations from our mind, body, and soul, home and hearts, placing the white light of protection on us with his blue seal. We're going to call on the Hathors because we're going to be reading out of my Hathor material, Messages from Ascended Civilization. And we're going to move on to chapter 2, the human as an energy system. And there might be some parts I'm going to bypass because they're exercises. It says, as your elder brothers and sisters, we live in what you would term the 4th through the 12th dimensions. And so our view of our perspectives is unique. And it says, because we perceive you through energy states that is different than yours, we are aware of you in terms of your penetrating field of energy. The first of these fields, which is obvious, is what would term your physical body with all the various chemical, biochemical, and electrical processes extending through the trillions and trillions of cells that make up your space for your body. However, when we see your physical body, we see it mostly in terms of space. We see it, i.e. your body, as a galaxy of stars from each atom unto itself, much like a solar system with the central sun as the nucleus and the planets of electrons spinning around it. That's awesome. The Hermetic alchemists coming out of Egyptian tradition spoke of the law, i.e. Hermetic principles. That's hilarious. I just read the Kabbalion 2 days ago. As above, so below, as within, so without. This means the level of cosmos recapitulate themselves in relation to each other. Thus, the solar system is a movement of planets around the sun, and the atom of the electrons move around the central nucleus. Your solar system is mostly space, and so are you. Indeed, there is tremendous amounts of space within your physical body, and it is illusion that you are solid. Even your science has uncovered that more than 99% of you is space. When we sense your physical body, we see it as a spatial, not solid. Consequently, we do not sense your physical body in the same way that you do. We literally see you walking, moving galaxies of stars. So although your body seems physically solid to you, we view it quite differently from the standpoint of light and energy. In penetrating your physical body is a second field of energy that we call the Ka, which would be, in some people's understanding, the pranic body. Prana, as uncovered by the yogis of an ancient tradition, is the essential life force in oxygen, but is not merely what you term oxygen. It is refined, subtle energy. Prana is amplified in large areas of vegetation and large bodies of moving water. Prana is the life force, and this prana penetrates both your physical body and your pranic body, or your Ka. And it's funny because I'm reading the book by the Pleiadians, Awakening Your Divine Ka. Your Ka is the source of life that moves through your physical body. The Ka is sometimes called the spiritual twin or the etheric double. It is a duplicate of the physical body and its energetic field, but a subtler state of energy. Those of you who are familiar with Egyptian alchemy will recognize the term Ka, from which it is the energy body that can temporarily survive the physical body after death. And I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that, guys, because that's a lot for you to comprehend. But I'm going to show you these diagrams. These diagrams are meant to go with the next video that I'm going to make, but I'm going to show them to you now. So the first one I'm going to show you is a two-dimensional representation of a bipolar magnetic field. A bar magnet is that one. And then the second one I'm going to show you is a three-dimensional representation of a bipolar magnetic field, sometimes referred to as a tube torus. Right there. And all I can tell you is this makes a lot of sense to me. I'm a Reiki master, and it makes sense to me why I can give and receive. Everyone can give and receive on the planet if they activate it. But why I can give and receive Reiki, energy, life force, prana, or God. So that's why, is because I'm made of energy, and energy can flow through me and flow to other people as a result of it. So we'll get into it further, but I love you all. Have a blessed day, and namaste.